It's very important to layer your blender jug correctly to get that beautiful smooth texture that everyone is looking for in their blend. So what we want to do, you want to start out with liquid or softer ingredients first. So always add your milk or your water, your coconut water, your juice into the blender first. And then we add soft ingredients. So if you're doing a green smoothie, I'm going to add my spinach in there. My banana is nice and soft. You want the blender to be able to ease through, the blades to be able to go through all those softer ingredients first, and then tackle any tougher ingredients. So I've got my spinach, I've got some kiwi fruit here, which is also soft, some cucumber, and then I'm going to start to layer up my tougher ingredients. So I've got my apple. Pop that in there. If you've got pineapple, you can add that in. And then lastly, on top, any frozen ingredients. So I've got some frozen mango here. I'm going to pop in the top there. And then I've got my ice. Then you make sure the lid is on securely, so pop that down. And then I'm going to go to variable speed 5 for this because there are a lot of ingredients I need to get that beautiful smooth blend. So I'm going to turn the blender around to 5 and then press the start button. And there, that blended that so easily. And you've got no lumps or bumps. You've got a beautiful, smooth blend. Cheers.